Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Select the correct answer. Alice is buying an over-the-counter cough syrup. She has a choice between a brand-name drug and a generic version of the medication. What would be a reasonable thing for her to do next? A. Purchase the brand-name medication because it promises better results. B. Purchase both medications and see which medication works best. C. Check the active ingredients in the two medications to see if they differ. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.